Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So, today I want you guys to do something different. I want you guys to silence yourself. Silence all the noise around you. Do not think. What I'm saying is not think about, oh, okay, I have to leave and go to work, or I have to do something with the kids, or I have to do something with my husband. Not those things. I'm saying don't think about the things that are in your mind that is basically having you all over the place. That's what we're talking about. Don't think about those things and silence yourself. Silence those thoughts of things that are not good for you. I think once you do that, you guys will feel better. So silence all those things that are mentally draining your focus. Okay? So that's just my thing today, is silencing things. Silencing all the noise that has you going back and forth. Okay? So silence, guys. And stop thinking so much. Stop. Because you're driving yourself crazy. It's nothing you can do. So silence those things, okay? Bye, y'all. Hey guys. Let me stop. I said I was gonna stop saying guys. So we're just gonna talk, y'all. We're just gonna talk. We're just gonna talk instead of talking about some hey guys and having this weird thing. I don't know, I'm starting to feel like it's weird. I'm just gonna be, when you start saying hey guys and stuff, it's like you're putting on I don't know. Y'all know what I mean. But we just gonna talk. We're gonna keep talking. Let me see if I can open up this blind some more behind you guys. We're gonna keep talking. I'm just gonna go show you guys some things that I probably didn't really get into detail about when I showed you things that I've brought into the home lately in the last few days. Just gonna talk about them a little bit. I'm trying to get some more light in here. Let's see how that looks, y'all. It's probably light enough. Okay, so anyway, let's see what we're gonna start with. Well, right now, if you guys can see, I have did the chair legs some more. And for all of you who wanted to know about the Minwax, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna bring it closer to you. And here is the name of it. It's Espresso, and this is what it looks like. For all of you who want to know, who might be considering like changing the wood legs on your furniture, that's what this looks like. I just wanted to let you guys know, because most of the time we're trying to do these videos and we're not getting enough in. So I wanted to show you guys that. And then these here, the Burt's Beeswax, I'm not gonna keep all of these. One is for me. I think I'm gonna take the sweet marjoram. I love orange stuff, so the sweet marjoram I will keep. And the one that is just like beeswax lip balm, I'm gonna keep that for Mark. And then the watermelon one and the cucumber mint one, I will give to my daughter. I will call them and see which one they want. So he will have this one. I'll have this one. And then my mom and daughter can choose between these two, because you don't need all four. And like I said, these were $2. So that's what I'm doing with that. And then another thing I wanted to talk about was the candle that I bought. This the oud wood and musk scented soy candle with essential oils. It's coconut and soy natural wax blend. Guys, this is ceramic. And I know a lot of times I keep making a mistake in saying Project 66. It's not Project 66, it's Project 62. And I had to remember to make sure that I tell you guys that, because I do talk fast and I'll be so excited that I can't remember the right thing. But the fact of the matter is, I didn't share with you guys, this is on his side. I did choose to put this in the room, and the other one that was in there in the office. So, even though this says Owlwood Musk on the outside, this is still a Project 62 ceramic matte finish bowl. So, you guys know another time I was there, I got 2 of these bowls that are Project 62 for salad plates for 50 cents a piece. And I have been looking for 2 more of these. However, this is gonna go, once this candle is burnt out of here, this is gonna be a bowl to go on there, like so. So I always have a plan, I always have an agenda behind everything I bring in this house. It has to do something, multiple uses, or I can't bring it in here. So, like I said, it's Project 62, like that, and then this is Project 62. So like I said, once it's burned out, this is how it will look. I love the fact that it has that beautiful, do y'all see that? Oh, wait a minute. The beautiful wording right here. That is so nice to me, so nice. So that was the story behind this. So, I'll put that back. The next thing, guys, my Aroma Professional tea kettle. Oh my God, y'all, I love this. I absolutely, really like this. However, the milk frother, this does not fit. It don't fit on there. If it was a little bit deeper, well, this was a little bit more raised, guys, it would go in there. But when I went online, they told me, I went on there and I got a number that I can call tomorrow, which is Monday, because they're only open from 8 to 4, Monday through Friday. So what I'm gonna do is call them and see if they can either send me out a base to this, keep searching at the bins to find this, because I know I probably will find it. But this was really, when I looked it up, it's almost $45 or more. Some places had it $45, or Amazon had it for $45. There was another company called, what is this called? Yummy. They had it for $39.99. And this here lights up blue, and then all of the base here lights up really pretty color. So I'm just super excited about this. If you guys really want to see it again, this is what it looks like. It's a 1.7 liter. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad, but just wanted to show you guys actually and talk about it a little bit more, because I just showed it to you guys. And then what else was it? Oh, I am currently right now, as you can see, I did do the legs, I said over. So I am currently going to get ready to drinking some tea. I'm going to currently use these felt pads, and these, they had circular ones, because I think I showed you on the dining room chairs. I did insert these, so all the furniture in the front room has these felt pads where it make it easy to slide across the floor. You know, it doesn't scratch the floor. Even though it has these like hard things on here, I'm either going to remove these like I did the other ones, or I'm going to put them on top of here, because I really would like this to sit up a little higher, so I might leave these. But anyways, I have cut out 4 already. I cut them out my own self, so I'm going to place those on here today, and I'm going to put the chair back in there. But I just wanted to show you guys that I did go over this, I did stain the chairs one more time. And if you're wondering how did I get like down through here, as far as I can go, I use the Q-tip. You gotta be creative, y'all. You gotta get creative with stuff like this. So I used the Q-tip, and yeah, that was it. It was just that easy. So yeah, guys, I didn't want to start the video with, hey guys, how y'all doing today? So I just figured I was gonna talk and get into it. So I'm gonna pick these out. I'm gonna see which one. Let me see how this smells. Ooh, it's one. Wait a minute. Y'all, how do I get this off? Oh, okay, so you have to peel it off. It smells good. Guys, if you hear that, that's the heat coming on. You know what? I was hoping that. Well, which one doesn't have? This is just a regular. Let's see. Yeah, this is just a so this one doesn't have a color. I thought they had coloring to it. That's really why I got it. I want it because I don't wear. Y'all know I only wear red lipstick whenever I wear anything on my lips, or coconut oil, or vitamin E oil. So yeah, let's see. Do I look any different? Huh? So yeah, guys, here's everything that we discussed about, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. So that tea kettle, I am hoping, praying, bringing it into existence, bringing it to me, that I hope and pray that I can find her. If not, I'll order it, or hopefully they can send it to me. So guys, I'll probably see you a little later in the video, or I will see y'all tomorrow. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, and this world will be a much better place. Oh, one more other thing too. I think it was Goo Goo. You were saying put those two. Okay. Y'all know I do not like chairs. I don't want to have too many chairs in this house. That's just going to be too much. That's going to really be too much. So I don't know if you were saying keep the cream chairs in here, which this is the dining room table. We need 4 chairs. So that's why I got sold the other chairs to get 4 chairs. And I didn't care about them not matching so much because that's just the thing. So I don't know if you were saying put the 2 gray and charcoal black chairs in the back room. Then where I'm going to still need 2 chairs in here. Now don't get me wrong. I don't know if the chair that I just bought that's going right back here will fit to the table. If that's what you were saying, like if I find one more of those, and put the 2 and put it because they're cream, put them here. I'm not sure. So let me know in the comments below what you meant. So guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. I love you all so much. Thanks for tuning in like every single day. You don't have to, but you do, and I appreciate it. Love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. And stop thinking so much, y'all. Stop it. Quit worrying about everything. You can't worry. Why worry about everything? Either you're going to pray and give it to him, or you're just going to be somewhere sitting curled up in a ball, okay? Okay? I ain't doing that. So I'm just trying to pass on the good news and good stuff and some great ideas to y'all. So I hope y'all are receiving it, okay? Bye, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.